Good morning, students. Welcome back to social study class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, which is duties of a citizen. Duties of a citizens lawaina ro. Jisusuki mimang giro monkey lenge denzo lega denzo duties la yere ro. And in the previous chapter, nanglola nganzuki rights ki kola ro mi mangi thoptang din zo khande yure la ne changma nganzuki tishi kyavere ro ta din nanglola taring ki chapter nanglola ni duties de nganzuki lega khande chigo du la sto di ki kola tishi kyap ki re ro changma thuna ya bu te ro chilai. Duty is a moral or legal obligation. It is a responsibility which a person discharges for himself and also for the society. A duty can be considered as the work that person or the people need to do. So duties la tu kapsla anjiki is a moral or legal obligation raise ra the duty la di hande dawre la na what is right and what is wrong la dong anjiki moral la na what is right or what is wrong behavior la ta mi chupa na right and wrong la sto anjiki adila la ki ra. So it is a responsibility which a person discharges for himself la na ta anjiki Kileni dwa susu chidang ani susu ki chizok chidlang la kirish dwa adila duties like it is dwa. And a duty can also be considered as the work that the person need to do tadi chagere kaslana duty la di susu ki lega dosh banre lo kirang la duties nzu te tadi lega chikpa dosh chagere. It can be considered as the work that the person need to do, right? Examining the patient and prescribing them about the medicine is the duty of a doctor. Teaching students is the duty of a teacher. It is the duty of a student to obey and respect his or her parents, teachers, and elders. Traffic police control traffic. It is their duty. In this way, soldiers, engineers, officers, journalists all have to perform their respective duties. The citizens of a country has to perform mainly 3 types of duties. Okay. So duties la tu nganzuki lega de ro nganzuki khele de the lega lana di it is considered as a work lega rang che the lega di duties nanglo la nganzuki chope ki shisung la chira the lega di khelang di what is right and what is wrong behavior is ro. And examining the patients tang nganzuki patients la check che ro mi never la check che tang ani prescribing them medicines ta crown la me test to di sugi lega chaki la na doctors ke link chaki re raw lega duties chaki re. Likewise khela dinzuki raw khige dinzuki student la ige la di khela dinzuki duty chaki re raw. And it is a duty of a students to obey and respect his or her parents. Of course khiran suki duties de khara chaki la na khiran suki phama tang khela dinzula kushap che respect che sigur che raw khela tang gemba dinzula. And traffic police control the traffic that the Quran suki duty rang chagere ra the traffic police tunzuki traffic tanzo. Likewise ra soldiers tang engineers tang officers tunzu tang any journalists tunzu do anzuki journalists la to kapsla media tunzu la lega chiki journalists tunzu do anzuki tunzu la journalists la yure ra ani tunzu ke changme gi lega che Quran suki lega respective Quran to duties tinsu sama Quran gi lega duties chakire esra. The citizen of a country has to perform mainly 3 types of duties. The citizens la tu mimang ki duties sumdi khang la du gore esra sumdi khari chakit la na. First one is a moral duty, second one is a legal duty, and third one is a civil duty. The moral duty la tu ra it is a duty that we perform out of our own conscience and we are not forced by someone. Moral duties la tu manjuki it deals with a behavior manjuki choba na lo deal chakire swa and it is performed out of a conscience la na dwa kirang ki ham makuni kirang ki personal awareness meni ham maguni kirang ki dilega di chigire la swa ta kirang ki mi kempa la kushap chela sokpa do tang mi khemba khirang this nyang digo do thongna khirang ki pupu chi rigyo do thongwa na khirang ki automatically khirang ki samna mata na khirang ki direct rang kang chi la na dui re do to ni wa pupu de la langa la khirang ki ro pa chi re ani pu chun chun chi ta lamga la ngu digo do thongna khirang ki automatically phala do che ni kire do chi gi re ta din chu changma ngan chu ki moral duty cha ki re ro khirang la mi shimba gi khirang la force chi ni inji mi ji pa pula ro pa chi la kyu do ta mu mu di ge su khirang langa kyu do ta inde khang cha la gi ma di yang khirang ki out of conscience la du khirang ki conscience la du ro personal awareness of right and wrong lies do ata khande ngone re like khande ya re khande do re la ni khirang ki lepa la ding ngon na yo res ro khirang ki samma ta na khirang lamsang khirang la conscience la tu personal awareness of right and wrong khande re lies do khirang la di kirang khirang la guide chi re khande ya ga du khande tu ga du lan moral duties deals with an ideal and honest life, showing respect and honor to parents, teachers, and elders, loving and protecting the young ones. Moral duty, they call a deal chikitlana. It deals with an ideal and honest life, showing respect and tanganji gi mi kemba din chu tang susule khan la re khela din chu tang phama tang ani chunga din chu la protect che tang ta kyo khan la re ta tang din chu doing gi res las moral duties di keeping friendship with all person with regards all fall under the moral duty. So moral duty nanglo la chi khari chugi dula na mi changma nyam dula ngan ki friendship shai ra ropa shai changma nyam dula thumbo che ta dinjo di moral duty nanglo la chugi re las ra. Legal duty, it is the duty stated by the law of the country. That the duty di ki susu ki lungba ki rang ki tim ki su kyo shres ra, which we have to follow. Nganji ki khande chiwa ina nganji ki follow chi gore as the tim di duty di lega di. Laws are formulated to ensure the general welfare of every citizen of the country. Laws provide equal right to all, so it is the prime duty of a citizen to obey the law of his or her country and maintain the rule of the law. So this law di ra legal duty se di ra law are formulated lana perform like it created like it created or prepared to make sure that the general welfare of the every citizen of the country lana manju ki lungbai ki mi gira manju ki citizens mimang din ju gira khorang chola khala gore na cha mayong tang kipo yonga tang ra health happiness tang and fortune yakpo yonga chidura mi changma la yakpo yonga chidula and khorang chuki di lo di khala gore sugyo res ra ani di lo di gi ra di team di gi changma la chidang tang ta tang di chikpa yung gi res ra ani nganju ki prime duty la tu nganju ki ta thangbo tangsho khala gore lengge di khari shaki dula na an susi ki lungbai ki team tang din zo la chigur che ta khushap che di nganju ki lega lengge chaki dos civic duty. So civic duty la kran chuki nge direct la wa na nganju ki shung la tha kya din chu do dil la yire ra. The happiness and prosperity of the citizens depend upon the peace and development of the country. Nganju ki lungbai ki ra mang la ra ta mi mang din chu khran chuki kipotang and prosperity la na nganju ki conditions of being successful la the success yunga chidura din chu khawala depend chigi dula na lungba khurang ki nanglo la shide tang yarge yuna chikpo ani mi mang din chu la kipotang khala ore khurang chuki business tawa ina yang success tawa chi chungi dos ra. Therefore, it is the duties of all the citizens to make a positive contribution from their respective areas for peace, security, and development of the country. The government needs money to run the development and administrative works. For this, the government imposes certain taxes to the people. It is the duty of the citizens to pay such tax on time. in a democracy, the government is chosen by the people. So every adult citizens should cast his or her vote to elect an efficient, honest, capable candidate. Then the government would be formed of capable people who would work for the welfare of the people and the country. So therefore, it is the duty of all the citizens to make a positive contribution. That this how to nganji ki mimang kurang ki kibu tang mimang la success yunga di khawala ni ki dulana khawala depend chi ki dulana lungba kurang ki shide tang lungba nanglo la shide tang ani lungba nanglo la yerke kongba yuna ani changma la kiwu khaw kiwu yungira. This share chudulani nganji mi changma ki we have to like give a positive contribution susu ki lega chiza tang susu ki thoni ina yang ani shide khere tang ra tupa tang linzo mewa che ani security gyo che ani lungba ki yarge chidla nganju ki samlo tang lega dinzo chi gores ra nyam dula nganju ki shung di lega shung di khala gore lega yakpo smoothly che chidla ra smoothly chechila khang khorla na pishak kores ra mu kores ra lega chechila ta lega di khandi yung sig na lega yerge tang kongpe tang ani administrative la na jingyong chisa lega din zo nang lo la ngui din ji mi ji kores ra ani di chedula ani shungki ani nganjula tax ta din zo kap ki res ra mi din zo la ani dinyam dula nganju ki lega di lingi khandi chaki dula na ani nganju ki ta di tuzu la te din zo ta te tang ra in a democracy the government is chosen by the people ta di ra mangju nanglo la mangju la do ra ta di nanglo la ni shung di su ki khala gore dam ki la na mangi mi mangi rang dam ki re ro and every adult citizen should cast his or her vote to elect an efficient, honest and capable candidate. Dide chatu rwa ni nganchu ki adult citizens nganchu ki mi nganchu ki changma ki rwa ta adult la tu ta lo ti sikhem ba lagi la ta changma ki ta kirang chu lu thana di lo chutuk chupke masim na kirang chu ki osho lo la kirang chu la di yo mare topdang yo mare rights yo mare rwa. So adult citizens nzola ni kurang chu ki voting din chu look do voting din chu khande look la na efficient me honest la na ta mi pe thangbo mi jondang yu kyo ra efficient la tu ta ngi ki khang la gore competent la gora pet kurang mi gi di yu kyo competent yu kyo mi din honest efficient capable candidates nzo tam kores ra jondang yu kyo tang mi thangbo tang mi lega di tena lega di chit tuzula chit thupke lega tinzo tang ra tinzo la nganji ki mit la wo sho de te kores ra and then the government would be form of a capable people ta di ra nganji ki mangi wo sho de look to ani shung la na ni mi kheo tang mi lupchong yu kyo tang mi thangbo tang dinzu ki ani lega chi ra ta dinzu lega chi na ni nganju ki lungba de la ne yang yerge khongba dinzu yak pa li re ani automatically lungba di khurang ki develop chaw tang khang la gore yak pu daw chaw ina ani nganju ina yang nganju chi de su ki welfare chi la yang yak pu yres welfare lan ta health tang happiness tang fortune chi la nganju chi la yak pu yres ra. Following are the listed as civic duties the duty linge din zo khande re dula na anju ki lungpa chitla lega che ra lungbe ki to serve the nation, to obey the law of the land, to exercise the voting rights, to pay taxes, to raise voice in favor of truth and justice ta tangbo ding anju ki thate anju ki shungla thate la sopa dang lungbe chitla lega che ta ra ani anju ki to obey the law of the land tang anju ki chikur che susu ki team shisung la lungba nang lo team loga yungge re lungba susu ki team dilang anju ki chikur che tang to exercise voting rights tang anju ki voting rights susu la thop tang yu tang anju ki pheje tang la exercise la na anju ki use chiwa kirang so lo chop ki above simtu ra kirang la top down yere washo luwa dil top down yudu suzuki washo di thanda luwa de zala lu kore ro shukla chik tik mindu la ni kira ki la choki mare 진짜 nganzu ki lugyo mi dinzu ngai gi lugan ra ma song kirang chu ki lugyo dinzu mi yakbo mindu na kirang gi shula ku gi la yakbo chi mindu tang parliament nang lo la le ga dinzu yakbo mindu tang dinzu kirang gi la choki mares ra. Fifth one is to raise voices in favor of the truth and the justice. Mi thangbo tang any justice ki chidla and suziki lago yuna yang lao res ra kurang ki favor ki chidla kurang chu ki chidla kirang ki voice raise chigo yuna kirang ki rally chugo yuna re khande chigo yuna re ra midila support te dang midila justice equality te dila kirang ki inji miji voice di raise chigo res ra ta kirang ki locality nanglo tang tinzu nanglo la rape case tang tinzu manzu mangbo to tanda tinzu do yuna kirang ki ke di langna kyapna kyap choki res ra tinzu sangme kirang ki chela susu thotang res. Similarly, according to the Constitutions of Nepal 2075, following are the duties of the citizens. So ngaji ki Nepal ki chatim ki shisung la ngidong tin thongi la khang la lana tinzu ki thanda bullet point shitwa li shidi ani ngaji ki susi ki citizens ki legi dinzu chaki do swa lega dinzu chaki do thangbo di khari chaki lana protect the nationality, sovereignty and integrity of the Nepal by pledging allegiance to the nation. So protect the nationality lana ngaji ki mang mimang dinzu la sungyap che tang sovereignty lana ngaji ki supreme power che integrity of the Nepal by pledging. So ngaji ki formally pledging la tu ta ngaji ki formally promise chwa ngaji ki promise lana ta ngaji ki na kya ra ngaji susi ki lungba la khan la gore ta do che tang susi ki lungbai ki head la ora ta parliaments ki supreme power la tin cho la ngaji ki chikur che tang ani ngaji ki integrity la tu ngaji ki di la gyore khan la gore honesty la gyore ngaji ki thangbo she shwa ngaji ki thangbo thangyang she ki yi lani ani by pledging the allegiance lana ani ngaji ki loyalty la ta ngai ki thangbo thangshak chigo sra susi ki lungba chidla ta do che tang lungbe ki chatim la ngaji ki follow che la sopa do tang ya ta lungba dila ngaji ki protection tang thangbo chiki yi la ra abides by the constitution and law. Abide la do obey chua ta ngaji ki follow chua respect chua yang na accept chua ngaji ki chatim dunzo la shung ki chatim dunzo la ngaji ki accept chigi tim da chatim la accept chigi is compulsorily at least when the state needs the service. So compulsorily join chigi is ra so ki lungba la emergency lega dunzo khewa ina ra ta khande lega khande yong sigi de ngaji emergency cups la sayum do nzu kyap tu ngaji ki lungba ding yang du mi mangbu ki su si volunteer chicken la sopa do ta enti chung sunga enti ta compulsorily emergency nzu lan ngaji ki inji mi ji pa chigo re la re to protect and conserve the public property. So ngaji ki su si ki public properties nzu la ni ta do che tang sungyap che di su si ki engage duty chakye res ra ta there are key terms nzu do kran chu ki key terms di copy china ya pu do la yi ra kaisla na da chik nzu sangma kirang chu ki ko manyung kya chipore ra ta sawad nzu mangbo yure sangma yi thuna ya bo ti yi kire la yi an ta ra yi thishna